Okay, today we are going to see the change in states of matter, and first of all we are going to see what happens when, suppose we take a dish, a plate, and we put some pieces of ice on this plate. Okay, some pieces of ice on this plate, and we leave these pieces for some time. And what is going to happen? You might have already guessed it correctly. After some time we are going to see that these ice pieces have melted and we have no more ice on the plate. Instead we are going to have some water on the plate. So what has happened is, due to heat of the surroundings, the ice on the plate has melted into water, right? So first we had in the plate some ice, right, which was in the solid state, and then we have here water, which is in the liquid state, like this. So the change from solid state to liquid state due to heat is known as melting. Now if we put this water again in a refrigerator and leave it for some time, because a refrigerator is going to cool this substance, it is going to take away heat from this substance, what is going to happen after some time? We shall see that this water is again changed into ice. So that is transformation from liquid state back to the solid state, and this transformation is called freezing. Okay, so we have seen one change of state, two changes of state rather, that is from solid to liquid and from liquid to solid. Solid to liquid is called melting, and liquid to solid is called freezing. We shall just go on to see some other changes in states now. Suppose we have, say, a beaker of water. A beaker will look something like this, and inside the beaker we have we filled it with water, something like this, and we are going to supply some heat. So we are going to heat this beaker now. From here we are supplying some heat. What is going to happen? We are going to see that after some time some vapors will be coming out from this. What vapors? These vapors are nothing but steam. So the liquid water inside this beaker, due to heat, is getting transformed into steam. What is getting transformed into what over here? Liquid is getting transformed into gas, right? Liquid is getting transformed into gas. And how is it getting transformed into gas? It is getting transformed into gas due to heat, right? And so this process of transformation from liquid to gas, we all know what it is called. It is called vaporization. And if this gas is collected somehow in, say, some place, this gas, suppose, is collected here, all this gas is kept over here, and this is allowed to cool. If this is allowed to cool, what will happen is that this will again change into water. So after some time, if this is cooled, we shall see some water over here. So that is the transformation back from gas into liquid, and that process is known as, that process of transformation from gas to liquid, we know that it is called condensation. Okay, so we're just going to write it down over here. It is called condensation, right? So we'll just sum up a little. we have seen the first change as change from solid to liquid, and we have called it melting. Second is from liquid to solid, and we have called it freezing. Then we have seen a change from liquid to gas, and we have called it vaporization. And then from gas to liquid, that is called condensation. We have another important change that we are going to see just after a short break. So we'll just return and we'll see that change. Thank you.